Welcome to my channel. If you are a new visitor, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon for video updates. This video is on national identity symbols, that is, national symbols of India. Our national flag. The tricolor flag is horizontal with 3 strips of colors. Saffron at the top, white in the middle and green at the bottom in equal proportions. The ratio of the width of the flag to its length is 2:3. The navy blue wheel at the center of the white strip represents Dharma. It is called the Dharma Chakra. The wheel is adopted from Sarnath lion capital of Ashoka. The diameter of the wheel approximates to the width of the white band. The wheel has 24 spokes. The present flag was designed by Pingali Venkayya. It was adopted by the Constituent Assembly of India on 22nd July 1947. Our national anthem. The Hindi version of Jana Gana Mana was adopted by the Constituent Assembly on 24th January 1950. Our national anthem is composed by Rabindranath Tagore in Bengali language. The full song consists of 5 stanzas. It takes 52 seconds to play the full song. Our national anthem was first sung on 27th December 1911 at the Calcutta session of the Indian National Congress. Our national song. Vande Mataram, written in Sanskrit, is our national song. It is composed by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee in his famous book Anand Math. National emblem. The national emblem of India is adopted from Sarnath lion capital of Ashoka. The state emblem was adopted by the Government of India on 26 January 1950. It consists of 4 Asiatic lions that stand back to back on a circular abacus. The abacus has sculpted figures of an elephant, a galloping horse, a bull and a lion that are separated by wheels over a bell-shaped lotus. The Sanskrit words Satyameva Jayate are inscribed below the abacus in Devanagari script, which means truth alone trumps. These words are taken from Mundaka Upanishad. Our national bird. The Indian peafowl, commonly known as peacock, was declared as our national bird in 1963. It symbolizes beauty with grace. Its scientific name is Pavo cristatus. National animal. The majestic black and yellow striped Bengal tiger is our national animal. Prior to 1973, lion was a national animal of India. As tigers were reducing in number in India, the Government of India launched Project Tiger in 1973 to preserve tigers and made it the national animal. The scientific name of tiger is Panthera tigris. National flower. The beautiful pink lotus is our national flower. It is considered highly sacred for Hindus as Goddess Lakshmi is believed to be seated on it. The scientific name of lotus is Nilambo nucifera. National tree. Indian fig tree, commonly known as banyan tree, is our national tree. It is characterized with its longevity and is considered as an immortal tree. Banyan tree has high medicinal value and is considered highly sacred for Hindus. Its scientific name is Ficus bengalensis. National river. Holy Ganges, that is river Ganga, the longest river in India, is our national river. The river originates from Gangotri Glacier in Himalayas. River Ganga is known as Bhagirathi at the place of its origin. The river flows down to the northern plains to form the river basin. It forms one of the most fertile lands of the world. River Ganga is highly sacred for Hindus. National fruit. Mango, the king of fruits, is our national fruit. It is a rich source of vitamins and minerals. Mango is a subtropical, seasonal, juicy fruit available in summer season in India. Its scientific name is Mangifera indica. National game. Hockey is our national game. The Indian hockey team won 6 consecutive gold medals in the International Olympic Games during the period from 1928 to 1956. National calendar. The calendar based on Saka era with the Hindu month of Chaitra as the first month of the year is adopted as the national calendar. Gregorian calendar is followed officially. National aquatic animal. River dolphin is the national aquatic animal of India. These dolphins live in fresh waters. Its scientific name is Platanista gangetica. Thank you for watching the video. Have a wonderful day.